Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a reaction. Oh my god, no I'm not. I'm going to be doing a makeup look today. Oh my god. I'm going to be recreating one of James Charles' makeup looks. It's this like blue butterfly look. I'll put it on the screen. I thought it was really pretty and it matches my aesthetic, so I want to recreate it and I think I can do it. So yeah, let's just get right into the makeup. I'm just gonna be starting off with the Maybelline Baby Skin, the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Shit! Also, my eyelids are stained pink from my makeup that I had on yesterday, so we'll just ignore that. So next I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows, so I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde as usual. His eyebrows look very like precise and arched, so that's what I'm going to try to make mine look like. So now I'm just going to be taking my foundation. I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix and it has sunscreen in it. Not that I really need it right now because it's cold as shit outside. But I honestly don't really know what to talk about right now. I'm just going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So now I'm just going to be taking the MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just going to bake under my eyes. So for the eyeshadow look, today I'm going to be taking the James Charles Artistry palette. Ironic, right? And for this eye look, there's a lot of like blue and purple shades, so I think I'm going to be taking mostly just like these purple and blue shades in the middle here. You wanna know what's so weird? I've been having the weirdest dreams, like the most real dreams, and like I don't understand because like I didn't think that my brain was like capable of like having such an imagination, but I surprise myself sometimes. So I'm just taking that blue shade beside it and putting that over top of the color I just put on. So I'm gonna take that first blue shade and just put it more in the upper crease because that's what it looks like. So, and he's gonna be putting like a wing, like a butterfly wing here. So I'm just gonna kind of carve that out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start on the eyeliner portion of this look. So to do the wing, I'm scared for this. Okay, so I was taking the Maybelline New York Master Precise eyeliner, but I found that that's not really working for me. So I'm going to take a really small brush and I'm going to take the Flash palette and use the black and try to use this as the eyeliner so it's more of a fine line. I'm frustrated. This isn't fucking working. I've never been so frustrated in my life. I feel like this doesn't look good. The other fucking eye. I wanna cry. Okay, so now I'm just taking the white from that same palette. I'm just gonna be doing those dots. I'm just gonna go back in and add some like white eyeshadow. I'm gonna go back in and fix the eyelid. Because due to my mental breakdown, it all came off. Alright, in hopes of making this look a little bit better, I'm going to be using individually just some of these crystal diamond things, because that's what he has. He has some jewels on the eyelids as well. So we're going to try this. Make this a little bit more pretty, and these diamonds, I feel like I can do more. So I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever like glitter stuff, and it's really shiny, so I'm hoping this works. Okay, so this is like almost as good as it's gonna get. I'm just gonna get a little bit of eyeshadow underneath and then some more rhinestones, so I'll do that. Then you can bet your ass I'm not doing my other eye on camera. So I'm just gonna add lashes to kind of finish off this eye look. Actually, wait. I'm gonna add some diamonds underneath and then put on lashes. So I'm taking the Ardell 213s. Are you kidding me?
2,000 years later.
Alright, hi, so I finished my eyes and I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face makeup. So I'm gonna bronze and highlight and lipstick, obviously. In the picture, he looks really bronze, so that's what I'm gonna try to achieve. So I'm just gonna take the MAC Studio Fix Contour palette. Just taking these two shades, just kind of mixing them to make a custom bronzy color. Yeah. Really hope these jewels don't fall off when I'm doing this, because they are not sticking very well. I'm gonna take the MAC Prep and Prime and just set my face. Taking the MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Highlight. I'm just gonna add a lipstick. Now I'm using the Whirl lip pencil and the Honey Love. Yes, I have nothing left. Have to use a lip brush. I'm really sad. This one's Honey Love. I wear this every day, and these together just look really nice. So I think that's gonna wrap up today's look. This is how it turned out. I'm actually really proud of it. It was giving me so many panic attacks and mental breakdowns, but we figured out how to make it look better. So I'm happy that it actually turned out okay. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not asking you to compare James's to mine. I know his is a lot better. But I don't know, this was fun to do and I love recreating looks. If you guys have any suggestions or looks that you want me to recreate, comment them down below or you can tweet me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really loved filming this video. It took me literally 3 hours, but it's fine. At least it kind of turned out, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and feel free to tag James if you want to. I'm also going to post this look on Twitter and probably Instagram. It would mean the world if he saw it. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.